install imager first. Okay. And then you have to choose your device for which you are installing the OS Pi 3 B plus B plus. Okay. And you have to choose OS that we have already downloaded. That's why you use custom, and where you have stored that folder you go with legacy or without legacy. So that will select, and then you have to choose your device. If you have connected already here to your machine 16 GB memory card, it will detect here like this. You have to next. So in that case you have to some edit some changes. Host name initially you have to start with hotspot for this process. So here I am using the name Sweri. Password is again Sweri. And here I have connected my own device Vivo T1 5G mobile device name, and here its password is 4. Okay, show password whatever. And here location you just select Asia Kolkata. Services you select use pattern, enable here use pattern authentication, and in option the two tick marks are sufficient, no sound is required. Then save finally. Yes, yes, it starts. Now it will starts for loading OS, and then verification will continue, and then your process will be completed. So writing OS started 0 to 100%, then verification is also for 0 to 100%.